A fearless crew of modders pushes ordinary cars past every limit, turning raw ambition into kinetic art. In candid interviews, they share their visions and the first brutal hurdles that measured patience as much as torque. The narrative follows evolution from sketch to loom of components, through setbacks, late nights, and breakthrough welds. Outcomes reveal sharper acceleration, richer sound, and sculpted forms, paired with data like horsepower gains and weight shifts. Viewers feel the pulse of craft and are invited to celebrate the artistry and engineering behind extreme car makeovers.